everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're having issues launching Roblox on your PC. So I'll walk you through a couple of simple fixes that usually solve the problem. So let's start with the first method. So go to the search bar on your computer and type in startup apps. Open it. Now you'll see a list of applications that automatically run when your PC starts. Now what you want to do here is turn off all of these apps for now. So these background apps can sometimes interfere with programs like Roblox, especially if they're using up system resources. So don't worry, this isn't permanent. You can always turn them back on later once everything is working fine. Now, once it's done, go back to the search bar and type system configuration. Open it. And when the window appears, go to the services tab. So here's an important step. Make sure you check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. So look for that and make sure you check it. So here's an important step. Make sure you check the box that says hide all Microsoft services down here. So this prevents you from accidentally disabling anything critical to your system. And type on disable all and tap on OK. So once you tap on OK, you'll be asked to restart your computer. So go ahead and do that. Now, once the PC turns back on, try opening Roblox again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue because it removes background conflicts. But if Roblox still not working, don't worry, we've got a second method. So go back to the search bar and type add or remove programs. Go ahead and open it. So scroll down through and look for Roblox. So once you found it, tap on the three dots at the right side, for example, this one. Then just click on uninstall and follow the steps to completely remove Roblox from your system. Then after that, go back to the search bar and open Microsoft Store. Once you're in, tap on the search bar and search for Roblox. So click on it and hit install to download it again. So this ensures you're getting a fresh, clean version of the app without any corrupted files. So once the installation is finished, launch Roblox again, and this time it should work properly. And that's basically it. One of these two methods should fix the issue and get you back into your games without any problems. Thank you for watching.